Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2205 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your vehicle's NOx sensor heater system. And if left unresolved, it can increase exhaust emissions, reduce fuel efficiency, and even cause your vehicle to enter a reduced power mode. What does P2205 mean? P2205 stands for NOx Sensor Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the heater circuit inside the NOx sensor on Bank 1 is receiving higher voltage than expected. The NOx sensor has a built-in heating element that quickly brings the sensor to its operating temperature. This allows the sensor to measure nitrogen oxide emissions accurately. If the heater circuit voltage becomes too high, the sensor may not function correctly, causing inaccurate emissions data. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2205, you may notice: check engine light on, DEF or emissions warning light, reduced fuel economy, higher exhaust emissions, failed emissions inspection, reduced engine performance. And on some diesel vehicles, the engine may enter limp mode or reduced power mode. Sometimes, there may be no noticeable driving symptoms except the warning light. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The NOx sensor is mounted in the exhaust system. Depending on the vehicle, it is usually installed before or after the SCR catalyst. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The sensor is connected to the ECU through a wiring harness and electrical connector. Because it is located underneath the vehicle, it is constantly exposed to heat, moisture, road salt, and vibration. The most common causes of P2205 include: faulty NOx sensor heater, short to battery voltage in the wiring, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded connectors, faulty NOx sensor control module, charging system over voltage, or ECU problems in rare cases. A shorted wiring harness is one of the most common reasons for this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional emissions-related trouble codes. Inspect the NOx sensor wiring for melted insulation or damaged wires. Check the electrical connector for corrosion or moisture. Measure heater circuit voltage using a multimeter. Verify the charging system voltage. And monitor NOx sensor operation using a professional scan tool. How to fix P2205. Repair damaged wiring, replace faulty connectors, repair any short to voltage condition, replace the faulty NOx sensor if testing confirms failure, repair charging system issues if necessary, clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2205 will restore proper NOx sensor heater operation, improve emissions system performance, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, prevent reduced power mode, and help your vehicle run efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.